Big news for CKB and ERG. Rosen Bridge has confirmed that Nervos Network is integrating with their open source bridge expansion kit. This brings CKB into Rosen Bridge, boosting interoperability and opening new doors for liquidity, cross-chain DeFi and adoption. For anyone new, Nervos is a layer 1 proof-of-work blockchain designed with a unique layered architecture. Its common knowledge base, or CKB, acts as a secure store of value, while higher layers handle scalability, smart contracts, and dApps. Unlike other L1s, Nervos separates consensus from computation, letting it scale flexibly without compromising security. Nervos and Ergo share a strong POW foundation and similar goals around decentralization and long-term sustainability, so this bridge integration feels like a perfect fit. With CKB gaining more cross-chain access, the ecosystem is only getting stronger. Great update for Nervos. Of course, this is my research, do your own, and for more things crypto, give me a follow.